Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. In this video, we will discuss the stocks on our radar. First, we have a past winner for you guys to look at for tomorrow's session. If you've been following this channel, you will remember it. This is a company we showed you in May when it was down at $1.80 in the session. We asked you to research it. We also brought it to your attention mid-June when it was around $2.50. By mid-June, NNVC went on a significant run, closing green 6 sessions in a row and exploding to $3.59 for a pure double from our first emails in May and 45% in just 3 sessions from our emails in early June. NNVC certainly had an incredible run in early 2024, and by looking at the chart, you will notice that it is starting to stabilize since late September. The stock also has a short, giving NNVC short squeeze potential with the right catalyst. Key highlights: NV-387's extremely broad antiviral is a host mimetic that acts as a decoy to attract and trap many diverse viruses, preventing the virus from replication and reinfection of other cells. This innovative biotech company is taking a novel, game-changing approach to eradicating many respiratory viruses once and for all, including triple-demic threat of COVID, RSV, and flu. Antibodies and vaccines are outdated. NanoViricides has a more innovative approach that works even when viruses mutate. NanoViricides, NNVC on the NYSE American, looks well positioned to be a market disruptor with non-toxic, effective antiviral therapies based on patented nanomedicine technology. NanoViricides is a global leader in applying nanomedicine technologies to the safe and effective treatment of viruses and their variants, including drugs against COVID-19, RSV, and other respiratory viruses. Even with the decline since 2022, COVID-19 continues to hospitalize and kill people in the USA. The CDC website states 69,200 hospitalizations and 2,652 deaths since January 1st of this year. The worldwide market size for COVID-19 therapeutics is expected to exceed $16.2 billion in 2031. NanoViricides are better because they destroy viruses and their variants without relying on the patient's immune system, making them effective for geriatric and pediatric patients. Antibodies only bind to the virus by 2 points, and destroying the complex requires effective immune function, which is not the case in sick patients. Vaccines only train the body to produce antibodies against the virus in the vaccine. However, viruses can easily overcome antibodies and vaccines by mutating in the field, hence the need for annual influenza vaccine updates. NanoViricides' lead drug candidate, NV-387, drug product NV-CoV-2, is a drug that treats RSV, COVID-19, long COVID, influenza, bird flu H5N1, and other respiratory viral infections, as well as monkeypox, and has completed phase 1 clinical trials in healthy subjects. No reported adverse events have been observed even at the highest and repeated dosages. Remarkably, NNVC has developed NV-387 for oral administration and injectable and inhalation formulations, enabling many modes of use. The company is currently focused on advancing NV-387 into phase 2 human clinical trials to treat RSV infection. NV-387 was substantially superior to remdesivir in coronavirus infections using a model for SARS-CoV-2 virus as reported earlier. We believe that NV-387 continues to be one of the most active antiviral drugs against multiple coronaviruses, and that it is a viable clinical candidate for drug development to treat COVID, long COVID, as well as potentially MERS, SARS, and seasonal coronavirus infections. As previously reported, NV-387 was superior to the 3 approved drugs, Tamiflu, Rabivab, and Exofluza, in treating influenza in an H3N2 lethal lung viral infection study. We believe that NV-387 is expected to possess potent antiviral activity against H5N1 bird flu as well, given that H5N1 viruses are known to bind to heparin sulfide proteoglycans and based on its observed broad-spectrum activity. NNVC has also found that NV-387 can completely cure a lethal RSV lung virus infection in animals, leading to indefinite survival as reported recently. There is no cure for RSV and no approved drug for the treatment of RSV infection other than the toxic last resort drug ribavirin. When approved, NV-387 could thus be a single drug to treat all of the triple-endemic viruses, COVID, RSV, flu, and more. But don't just take our word for it. Start your research. To read our full report on NNVC, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com. There is no spam and your info is never shared. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Moving on, guys, DJT, Trump Media and Technology Group, continues to burn the shorts. Trump poll numbers keep going up. The race is just around the corner. If he wins, DJT will go flying. If he loses, look out below. It's a proxy. It's a meme stock. It's a proxy on his electoral prospects. GEVO, G-E-V-O, this is a name that we have covered quite a bit on this channel, is on a tear after the company received a conditional commitment for a $1.46 billion loan guarantee from the U.S. Department of Energy Loan Programs Office for its Net Zero 1 project in South Dakota. NZ1 is designed to produce around 60 million gallons per year of sustainable aviation fuel, 1.3 billion pounds a year of protein and animal feed products, and 30 million pounds per year of corn oil. The company said the design capability of the NZ1 facility is expected to yield sustainable aviation fuel with a net zero carbon footprint on a life cycle basis, including through the fuel's burning. NZ1 is the first ever large-scale alcohol-to-jet project to receive a Department of Energy LPO conditional commitment from the DOE LPO and marks a watershed moment for the Net Zero 1 project and a critical step forward in GEVO's mission to transform the aviation industry by providing a scalable, sustainable, and economical renewable carbon-based jet fuel SAF. That's what GEVO CEO Patrick Gruber said. Lastly, guys, a low float bouncing off trendline support looks prime for a major move. Pull up CHRO, just a 1.54 million share float. Lots of chatter tonight on StockTwits. Real Earn Franklin talking about it. OG Tigris, Stocks Rockman. These are some smart players that we follow on StockTwits. Highly recommend you give them a follow on StockTwits. Finally, I will also be scanning the pre-market, and if I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. However, Thursday's primary focus is NNVC. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. As always, good luck to all except the shorts. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to invest in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays with catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to Interactive Offers for sponsoring this video on NNVC. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decision, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. It is our opinion, meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining us today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. Bye-bye.